We go out early or late. We carve out an hour here or there. We sweat. We push ourselves and strain for new limits, new tolerances of time and pain. This is part of us. We want to be this way. What if we fix the sweaty seat problem? We created a device that does just that. SWETBACK.
My name is Brendan, and I created SWETBACK. SWETBACK was born out of necessity. I needed something that would hold a towel in my car seat after a workout, and this was my solution. The keys were, it had to be simple, hold the towel well, and be easy to install and remove. I was having a sandwich one day, and I took the bread clip off the bag, and I looked at this, and I was like, that's it. This is the design that we needed to integrate. So working with my brother, we took this and mashed it up with SWETBACK. Early designs were made by hand with tools you'd find around the garage. And then when I finally had the design figured out, I went to a manufacturer and had them import the design to their cutting table and cut some various samples out professionally in their facility. Originally, my idea for SWETBACK's use was targeted for people who do physical activity. But as I've spoken with others about SWETBACK, I found that there are a ton of different reasons why you might want one in your car. Traditional sports, pets, children, contractors. You take your car to the mechanic, the list goes on and on. We're here on Kickstarter because we need your help getting this off the ground. Steven and I met while trail running. We are both stay-at-home dads, trying to help our families out where we can. We don't have any large companies backing us. We're just two guys going to the people, to family, friends, acquaintances, anyone who might see SWETBACK is potentially useful in their life. Steven and I have already been trying out the most current prototype, and we're loving it. We think you will too. Please support us and join us on this adventure.
Heed, an amazing solution, a patent-pending solution, for tracking and recording the driver view. Let's take a drive.
Heed, an application that works on any updated smartphone, eliminating the need for other accessories. Being a car mount solution that serves as the dash cam, Heed takes care of everything a driver needs to do with his or her phone while on the go. Once placed on the dashboard, wireless charging gets activated straight away, and we can opt for preferred maps for navigation. Hardware features define it all. The phone mount with gel pad ensures the device is firmly held. Live recording can be instantly activated with NFC detecting the driving mode to trigger the application. While on the go, alerts from other apps can be muted even as the music plays on in the background. Enabling priority call settings is yet another smart feature one can't resist using, helping the driver stay focused and averting any possible mishaps. Besides, it comes with all the advantages of a typical dash cam, like you have the first-hand evidence of a car accident, helps you report undisciplined drivers. Driving instructors and worried parents can now breathe easy. You can prevent accident frauds. You can record your entire road trip, capturing the unexpected events worth recording.
With all the desirable features integrated into a smartphone, Heed is likely to become one of the most sought-after apps in the automobile technology market space.
Please join us and spread the word.
With assistance from Delphi Connect, you can analyze your vehicle's health. You can check the fuel level. You can find its location, and your phone can find what's around. You can unlock the doors or lock the doors, even from Milan, while drinking a cappuccino. The new Delphi Connect. Connect to your car. With assistance from Delphi Connect, you can get an alert when your son leaves school. You can use live tracking to see where he is. You can get an alert if he revs the engine. Every time he revs the engine. The new Delphi Connect. Connect to your car.